logo is up here. So your logo is up here like this. I don't know why this thing is coming like this. Your logo is up here. The color is now fine. But try to centralize it first. Then you use the second button to centralize it. Then
Yes,
you use this
yes,
one. Okay, yeah, I think so. Use this button to and don't you?
Hello, ma.
Oh, are you in the prototype? Come back to design. Is under design that you can export. Design. Esther.
Ma, I've tried several downloading stuff, but I'm still not viewing anything.
Can you share your screen for me?
I'm using my system is there, but it's my phone I'm using.
Okay, so which platform are you using? Which platform?
I used iStock.
No, sorry. I mean, which group are you in? Which group are you in?
Agriculture.
Agriculture. Let me download something for you.
Okay.
So just tell me once I go to agriculture logo, anyone you like, just tell me, and I'll have to download it.
Okay. Let's go down. Okay.
Okay, so once you see anyone you like, you know.
This one you used before.
This one. This one.
No.
Which one?
Go back up. This one by the left. The first
this
one
one.
by the left.
That has what is written on it?
No, not that part. Come towards your left.
Yeah.
The first one by your left.
This.
Yes.
This agricultural watermelon.
Yes.
I think I've downloaded this thing. Let me confirm. Oh, I think I know why. This is under Envato element. So what you do is you can download it with any of those this thing. So I'm just going to save this image for you. How am I going to send it for you? So I'm going to copy the image. I'll come to chat and I'll save it there for you. So you can download it because it's under Envato element. But then I can save it for you and you have to crop it.
Okay, but just in case I need to practice with something else, how do I
You can only check, you can only download from stock and Shutterstock, Adobe, iStock. You just once you open downloader, you see the places where you can copy links for anyone that is not part of them. You can download.
Wow.
Yeah.
I've tried three different images, but still it's still giving me the same issue. I tried downloading from Poster My World because the link is from Poster My World. Still is not working at all.
Okay, so Esther, let me send this now on. Let me see if I can send it on this chat here. Okay. My WhatsApp is not logged in here, so it would be very hard for it to.
Hello, ma.
Hello.
Yes, network is good now, but so it's telling me set API first. So how will I set API?
Now, just click on set API to show you a link that you need to follow. Follow the link.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
I clicked on it. It's not showing me a link.
Set API to load. Data it load. You bring out the box and you see the link under the box.
Okay. I've done mine. Thank you. I've done mine. I'll copy the one.
Okay.
Ma.
Yeah.
I'm still on the export.
Oh, okay. You know what? Let me just finish this with Esther. Then you share your screen and show me what you're facing.
Okay.
We are just on one. We've not even entered. So I just know that anywhere with the assignments will be on you people.
Hello, ma.
Hello? Esther, I'm
Please,
coming. I'm trying to send it. Let me open WhatsApp. Hello?
okay.
Yeah?
The splash, should it be SVG or PNG, please?
PNG.
Okay. Thank you.
Here's this image that I just downloaded now. Hey. Oh, Esther, can you see why you're having issue? You have to choose another image. That image is AV something. Let me see it if it is still open. Yeah, it did. Okay. Can you see it now?
I can see it. Let me.
Yeah. So it's AV something. That's why. Well, my system has converted it. So
Okay.
Hello.
okay.
I'm having issues with my remove BG. I can't set API key.
Oh, who wants to share screen now?
I'm the one.
Okay, so let me make you co-host. Oh, I can't make you. Please, host, can you make her co-host? Can you make Juga co-host so that she can share her screen? I cannot make her.
Sorry, Bomapi, where can I get color?
Color.
Yeah, the background, for the background.
Click on it, come to this fill part. You see where to get color.
Which way?
This
Okay,
is fill. This is fill.
Okay.
Please, oh, can we move on? Can we move on? Can we go to the next thing? If you're not done, let's see. If you know that you're not done, let me see your hand.
We can move on, ma.
Okay, just let Juga share now. Oh, extra is not done. Yeah, it's still on the call. We have how many persons? Juga, can you share so that we'll move on? Whoa. 3. Okay, just 3 for 4. Talk now or forever remain silent. Just 4, okay.
Mama, I've clicked on share.
So how do I copy the image to my Figma?
Okay, just save it. Save the image on your laptop or on your WhatsApp and go to Figma. Once you go to Figma, you would see place under this, you'd see place image. Just place it there. Please, guys, we need to be fast. We need to be fast. We have not even gone. This is just one screen out of 20 or 30 that we're supposed to design.
Hello?
Hello, Juga. Are you the one?
I clicked on share.
Oh, you can't share?
No, I couldn't.
Once you click on share, you see a link. Okay, I'm not sharing my screen, so you're supposed to, once you click on share, you should be able to see your link. So once you just click on the screen you want us to see, just click on the share and it will show.
It's not coming up. It's not coming up. Click on link. Okay. I've copied the link.
Copy which link?
They said copy link underneath.
No, there's no link to copy share.
I just clicked on share, then I'm not seeing anything. I'm just seeing to add editor, email address, anyone with the link, then my name.
Oh, you're sharing, you're doing it on Figma. You're supposed to share your laptop, on Zoom. Come to Zoom and share.
Okay. Now I see. Share screen.
So have you shared? We need to really move on. Yeah, thank you. You're using your phone?
No, I'm using my laptop. My phone. Okay.
You're using your phone to share. You can't. Okay, guys. Let's just move on. Let's move on to the next screen. So this is just our splash screen. For those of you that have not done it, you can watch the recordings later to complete it. So now that we have this, I want to duplicate this. Remember that once you design something, any design you make, you have to onboard your users first. So I don't want to use this same color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it a white.
Okay.
I'm going to make it a white, or I'm just going to make it a gray color. So let me say gray. Let me use this gray and reduce this to say 20. So this gray doesn't work for me. So I'll come towards this part. So you can see that I'm not using pure white. I'm using FB. I'm not using pure white. Now I need to do an onboarding screen. What is an onboarding screen? It's those screen that you see yesterday on Wednesday I showed us. So for a security platform. So once I'll just stop generating here and tell them I just need 3. Or you can use any, what was it called? Okay, so I have these 3. And this, I'll just copy this 3 for ChatGPT and I'll come back to my app and I'll paste it. So I'll try as much as I can to use these 3 to do any design that I want to do. So the first one is, let me increase this first. Let me reduce this so that I can increase the size and see what I need to see. Okay. So now that I have welcome to security platform, so I'll just copy this first one and I'll come here and I'll paste it. But once I'm pasting it, I'll not use Control V. I'll use Control Shift and V. Why? So that it to maintain the exact what I want you to maintain this exactly. So I'll just reduce this. So welcome to our security platform. It's still the same as welcome to SafeLock. Welcome to SafeLock, and I'll centralize it, and I'll come and pick this extra. Yes, get ready for this. I'll copy it, Control C. But before then, I'll duplicate this, Control G, and I'll bring it here. And I'll paste it, Control Shift and V. And I'm going to arrange it to what I want. So I would give.
Please take that again, ma, please.
What should I take again? Control Shift and V. Hello?
From the text underneath the welcome to SafeLock.
This text, I had to copy it from ChatGPT. And I just duplicated this one that I have. This one, I just duplicated it and pasted the text that I copied. So you can just edit, get ready to fortify your display and protect your assets.
No, while you were pasting it, you said you mentioned.
Okay, I use Control Shift and V. Now the reason why I'm using Control Shift and V, just watch. If I use just Control V, if I copy this like this, Control C, and I come here and use Control V, it's going to paste like this property, like this. And remember that we've already set this for the first time where we set it to 14, increase the line spacing. So I want it to take this exact one. That's why I held down my shift so that it's going to take the existing property instead of its own property. So anywhere you want to copy, even if it's Photoshop, even if it's you're copying from ChatGPT and you want to paste it, instead of just pasting with Control V, add the shift so that it's going to paste exactly what you already have so that it doesn't spoil your documents. So let's move on. This is what I have. Now, remember what we did that day? Circle. Now, that day we did just 3 circles, but I want to do something different. So I'm going to pick up my circle and I'll draw the first one. So I make it 20 by 20. I'll come and I'll make it 20 by 20, and I'll control G to fit and I'll drag it out. Now you can see this. I want the first one to be different. So I'll come to, instead of circle, I'll pick up my rectangle and I'll do the rectangle like this. And I'll make it 20. And I'll do the corner to like say I'll do the corner to be 22. So this 20 is too big. So let's say I make this 16. And I'll make this 16 too. And I'll make this 16. And I'll make this 16. So what I'll do now is, guys, watch. I'm going to hold down these three. Hold down, use my shift. Click on the second one, use my shift again. Click on the third one. And I'm going to hold down shift and press A. Shift and A to add auto layer to center button. Now, you might not want to do this. I'm not saying you should do it now because you don't really understand what auto layout is. So I'm going to reduce this from 16 to say 10. That's the spacing. So this is what I have for this. So what this is going to help me do is, now you know that if you're moving your screen, like if you're moving on your app, it's going to show in which to the first part, and I'll change the color from this to red. And I'm going to just drag it and I'll keep it at the center. I'll centralize it. And what do I need again? I need a button. So I'll just quickly drag this that I have here. Ctrl D. And I'll come here and I'll place it. And I'll say this is my button. So this is 60, right? Let me check. Let's check on our design. The place that we are viewing. Let's see what I have here. Okay, this is not too big, it's not too small. So 60 is nice. So now I'm going to write something out. Say next. Well, I'm going to make it 20. I'm going to make it 20. And I'll centralize it here. I'll centralize it and I'll group it. So I need to change, should I make this 50? Let me make it 50. Yeah, 50 is better for me. This and this. Then I'll change the color. Which color should I use? Which color do you think used to go with red? Somebody. If you're very good with colors, please just let me know. Which color? Orange.
Blue.
Okay. So now for us to know, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to copy the color. Ctrl C. Now there's a website that I'm going to show you all. It's called color.com. COOLORS.co. Now, if I want to know colors I can use as secondary color, I just need to come here. So for those of you that don't know how to use colors like me, I suck at using colors. Allow it to load, then I'll say start the generator. So once I click on start the generator, it's going to load again. And I can just come here. So this is it. I'll just copy my red color and paste it. So once I'm done copying and pasting, I'll just click on toggle lock. I'll lock it and I'll be using my space bar. So someone said orange. That's true. This is orange. This orange will work well. So you can see colors that can work. But let me copy this orange first. So I'll just click on copy this and see if I can see any other nice color. Just pressing your space bar, it will be generating color. So I think I like that orange. So no need to. So if you like anyone, you can just lock it. And the next, just in your space bar to be generating colors that will match. So since I already have the orange, I'll just come here and use that particular orange that I copied and I'll paste it instead. So you can see it now. This is what for
Yes, sir.
Hello? So I'm going to group this, Control G, and I'll bring it down a bit. Why is this thing doing like this at all? So I would centralize it and I would drag it down a bit.
Sorry, I have a
Then,
question.
okay.
Sorry. Are we supposed to use this font? Like we must use this particular font for all
No,
our
no,
apps?
no, 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 no. You can use yours. Oh. I'm
Okay.
using this because that's the first font that came for me. So once I click on my drop down, once I click on this, you see different fonts that you can use. You just select. But make sure you don't use fonts that are too stylish because remember it's an app and people would want to see it.
Okay.
I don't know why I don't really buy this orange that I'm using. I don't. So let me stick with my red color for the button. I don't buy the orange.
You can try a different shade of orange.
Okay, let me see here. Let me see. I really don't buy that orange. It's okay. I think this is better. Now notice something. I've been using black color, which is not nice. So it's not nice to use completely black. This is completely black 0000. So it's better that you choose your black for your text from around this. So I'm just going to move this small. And this is nice. One B one, we shall copy this, and this will be what I'll be using for my text instead of pure black. So it's called because of accessibility. Remember when I'm saying you should be able to design for everybody. There's some people that black uh is too much for them. Now this is where the main the main issue. Now I need to look for a picture that would match this. So remember that I sent some links to the group chat yesterday, and one of the link is what we call story set. There's something called one of it is story set. So I'll go to storyset.com. All those links here, there are links where you can download illustrations for. So when you're downloading your illustrations, you don't need to use this story set. You can use anyone. So I can just come here and say security or safety, anyone, and I'll look for illustrations that would fit in. Okay, so I'll just look for illustrations that will fit. Okay, let me go to this. Let me go to this particular one. Now you can see that you can change. One reason why I use story set is because I can change the colors. So I'll go back to my app and I would try to use this exact color, this red color. I want the red color. So all my illustrations to have the red color. So I'll come here and I'll change the color. Well, this is the original color. I'll delete all of this and I'll put my red color. So anything I'm downloading should carry that red color. So I'm going to download as SVG or PNG. Now, the reason why I'm downloading it as SVG, has it downloaded? I don't know if it has downloaded. I did not hear the sound. Okay, it has downloaded. So the only reason why I'm downloading as SVG instead of PNG is because what if I get to this thing and I want to change the color? So I should be able to change the color also. Then let me see this. Let me see this. I'll download this. So you can see that I'm downloading how many? I need 3. So I'm downloading 3. I'm going to download this too. So let me just download as much as I want. Then I'll get to use it. Then I'll come back to my app. I'm done downloading all of them on my website. Then I'll come back to my app. Sorry. Do I save it? Then I'll come to my place image and I'll place all that I just downloaded. So I'll come and copy all that I just finished downloading on my, okay. I have them here, so I'll just copy them, 1, 2, 3, 4. I downloaded 4.